We have therefore very carefully calibrated and have said that we will do only what is absolutely necessary. We didn't attack any area of Pakistan except the terrorist camps, and we attacked them to precision. If they hadn't attacked us back, we would have stopped there. But they did attack us back, and when they attacked us back, what did we do? We neutralized the platforms they were using to attack us. So we neutralized their air bases which they were using to attack us. And that sent the message clearly to them that you can't take India on. And they therefore said, please, let's stop it. And they've stopped. But we have to be careful, and which is why the government very clearly said, we are not putting an end to the Operation Sindoor. This is only in suspension. So that, be warned, if you do anything, we'll be back to hit you as hard as we can. So please understand that the responsibility of being a nation that is admired in the world, and a nation that is sending out a message to say we want to lead the world, we want to be Vishwaguru, we want to be Vishwamitra. That's a huge responsibility. If you were just in small irresponsible state, you could do anything you like and then hope for the best. But we have an enormous responsibility, and therefore restraint, responsibility is very, very important. But not at the expense of the defense of our sovereignty and the defense of our people. And I hope that this will be understood. But one last point you made is about the difference between terrorist and militant has to be understood. We know this from our personal experience, and for people of Jammu and Kashmir who are here, know this from their personal experience. But the world perhaps doesn't know it. Those countries that have suffered from terrorism have changed their attitude. But those countries that have been fortunate to not suffer at the hands of terrorists still continue to make these distinctions between militant terrorists, between freedom fighter terrorists, etc. And therefore it's very important that our narrative continues. We've come here for this purpose, but we are so pleased that you are here already. And what we can do in a few hours is something you can do much better in your everyday dealing with the people.